How to set Dolby Atmos movie music voice on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Sound and Vibration. After click on Sound and Vibration, click on scroll down and click on Sound Quality and Effects. After click on Sound Quality and Effects, you will see first option is Dolby Atmos. Click on Dolby Atmos. So if you want to set Dolby Atmos movie, music and voice, so if you want to set music, click on music. If you want to set voice, click on voice. If you want to set movie, so click on movie. So after select movie, music, voice, after select go back to home screen. So that's how you can set Dolby Atmos on movie, music, voice on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.